Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, let's continue our discussion of the euro currency. So guys, now we have really good discussion on forums, so a lot of our forumers have been involved in this. I'm really thankful for that, because it's really open for others and for me personally some fresh view on the markets that I could take a look at a bit different point of view, and it's really important, and I like to say they keep it up. So because it really led us to understand better what is going on here. But as a result of our discussion, actually, as I thought, it's a bit mostly two major opinions right now stands among our forum members. So one of the opinion is that euro should show some like up here. Another spike up, another upward continuation somewhere to 126 area, 26, maybe 26.40, somewhere in this level, because as it was mentioned in our forum, so it's indeed here some traders see the reverse head and shoulders pattern. Indeed, it's really could be formed, so you can see it's left shoulder, head, right, and it could become the right shoulder. So market could show some minor retracement here and turn up. Another opinion is that no upward leg will happen, and market just will continue move down here. So it could become deeper action. The reasons for that is mostly following from the classical point of view, that here market has formed some clear bearish moments. And first of all, this is wash and rinse of the previous stops. So you can see market was not able to hold above the stops, just grab the stops that have been placed in this area and immediately plunged down, it's dropped. Also has been here some bearish reversal session has been formed, so market has created a new top and closed below the lows of the previous session. By the classical technical analysis, this is the bearish reversal session, and usually it leads to some continuation. Currently we do not speak yet on some really big reversal. I just said in the weekly research that if market will go there, right at these bottoms, this potentially could create the double top pattern on the euro currency, because the appearing of the wash and rinse on the second top of potential double top pattern is very typical. So it's just very good sign from the bearish point of view. So that's first top has been washed by the second top. Also market has the oversold area here. That's why in our weekly research we said that probably this will be the floor for the current week if indeed market will start dropping. On Monday, this was President's Day in the United States, so you can see its action was really flat, and market has formed kind of the indecision session. You can see this range. Right now, price stands inside of it. These candles is important because they could show you the further direction of the market. So if market will take now to these lows, it will mean that this downward action is more probable. If it will reverse top and it will take it out this top, it means that some deeper action to the upside will follow. This is actually not really very big range, so I prefer to have some kind of this action, so high wave patterns where the tails are a bit greater. But sometimes this also could be used, this kind of sessions. So on the intraday chart, guys, situation it's not really very simple for understanding and making the forecasts. But let's try to use the facts that we have. First of all, market has hit the support. This is 50% support on the euro currency. It's also 618 with this minor reaction point to this top. So it's confluence support. Market has formed here the Polish engulfing pattern. These lows are still valid. So if market will break it down, it will mean that this downward action probably will be continuing. But until these lows stands on the market, we could get the kind of action that we see on the hourly chart. So you see kind of this morning star, and kind of morning star pattern has been formed. Take a look that sometimes skewed head and shoulders patterns could be formed on the markets in such situations. And if indeed this will happen, so retracement probably will reach 50% resistance in 2460. What I'm trying to say, guys, is that by the way, in just one moment, here, if you remember, we have expected the bread and butter sell, but also we haven't got it on Monday. So it just was too small correction here. So what I would like to say is that currently, guys, following the logic of the overall action, some retracement up probably should happen sooner or later. I mean, on the slope of this drop. So maybe market will hit the 618, but deep retracement probably should happen. In my opinion, in such circumstances, when this action stands a bit not quite clear the reasons of that drop, so maybe it will get the continuation, but also there are signs that market really could show the upward direction exists right now in the market. In such circumstances, guys, I think that we should, my opinion, personal, is that we probably should wait for really pullback, because currently I don't want to sell right now. I need some better price, and I would like to sell the retracement up. I would like to sell the rallies on the way down. When we extend in the bear trend, market right now is calling around the weekly pivot point, as you can see. I prefer to sell the rallies. And as market has formed first bearish reversal swing here after the strong rally that we've got previously, retracement should happen. Usually in the euro currency it stands at the 50%. As soon as this will start, we will keep an eye on how it will develop. If it will be this kind of retracement, gradual upward action, it will give us more confidence that indeed this downward action could continue. But if we will get this kind of action, it will mean that probably indeed 126, 126.40, so another leg up could be formed. So that what I personally will be looking for here on the euro currency right now. Because on the other markets, guys, on the dollar index in particular, so take a look at the chart of the dollar index on the hourly chart, you'll see that kind of this house in action exists here. So I'm not sure that's, yes, maybe it could be just straight upward action, just jump here, upward continuation. It's also possible. But following the normal price behavior, some deep retracement probably should happen. And that's what I will be looking for on the euro currency right now. So I think that in the current circumstances, when you do not know definitely, and you have some doubts on the perspective of this, because take a look, that these lows on the follow time frame chart stands precisely at the 618 support. So some harmony exists, right? So indeed, maybe hand shoulders could be formed here. That's why I need to take a look at the retracement, how it will develop. Fast action will tell me that stay aside from any short positions. Gradual action will support the idea of the possible downward continuation. Anyway, right now, I don't think maybe it's a good idea to go short. It's better to wait for some pullback. If you would like to go long, well, in this case, it probably could be done, but you need to get the patience on your back to take the long position. Currently, I do not see anything of that sort. If you will get kind of the bottom line here will be formed to something of that sort, well, you could try it also. So that's what we see right now on the euro currency.